Hello and welcome to Infiniti's design studio from Atsugi, Japan. I am honored to give you a tour of the stunning new QX60 Monograph. In crafting the Monograph, we wanted to change the tonality of the QX60 and transform the nameplate from a sculptural and architectural point of view. We raised the visual center of gravity, giving it a strong, straight shoulder line that carries through to the hood with a higher, more prominent grille and a longer-looking cabin to deliver a sense of muscularity and a commanding presence. Viewed from the side, the Monograph shows off its long horizontal hood, defined fenders, long wheelbase, paired with a gentle rake of an A-pillar and tapered teardrop-like glass house that result in a long, sweeping, sophisticated profile. At the rear, the wide body and track, paired with the horizontal window line, gives QX60 Monograph poised and stable stance. QX60 is popular with families. It is known for offering spacious packaging and a comfortable 3-row seating, and we work very hard to maintain those proportions while transforming the shape to a more aerodynamic, muscular silhouette. Embossed with the Infiniti name, QX60 Monograph features large alloy wheels that fill the pronounced fenders and reinforce the performance-inspired aesthetic. With a high-contrast black on the pillars and roof, the greenhouse glass is seamlessly connected, giving a panoramic feel to the cabin and promoting a sense of openness. Whether coming or going, the lighting on the QX60 Monograph draws you in. Inspired by the pattern of lines in an electrical heatsink device, the intricate new digital piano key lighting at the front and rear projects a futuristic appearance. The lamps are accompanied by an illuminated Infiniti road emblem. Combined, the opening light sequence begins at the logo and fans out to the headlamps in a unique signature to welcome the driver. The stunning paint on the QX60 Monograph has this highly reflective nature that mimics the qualities of liquid metal, allowing the surfaces of the body to capture the shadows and lights of the environment around it, creating a sense of dynamism. You can also see the intricate folds of traditional Japanese origami that inspired the inner mesh of the signature double-arch Infiniti grille. The result is a two-dimensional surface that appears three-dimensional. The QX60 Monograph embodies the Japanese concept of ma, a sense of minimalism where designers seek harmony, adding just the right amount of elements with very specific meaning to create something special. This is evident on the body, where at a glance it is simple, but when you get closer, you see that there are elements that are playing against each other in a sense of harmony. QX60 Monograph has a large panoramic roof that features a kimono fold pattern. A series of intricate folded perpendicular lines, this design has roots in the culture of Infiniti's homeland and the structure of Japan's most modern architecture. The overall effect of the QX60 Monograph design is a more planted, sophisticated SUV that can take on the beautiful chaos of family life in the most elegant way.